Yo, what's going on, everybody? Real quick before we even jump into today's video, I don't know what's going on with Confirmed App, Yeezy Day, whatever it's called, but I done entered for about 3-4 sneakers. The first one, of course, the zebras right here, as you guys can see. You know what I'm saying? Entered draw. I also entered for the all black Yeezy slides, and I entered for the Yeezy foam runners right here, as you guys can see. And I haven't hit on nothing yet, like zero, zilch. Nothing. I don't know what's going on, and this is like an ongoing issue with me and the Confirmed App. Like literally, I've never hit on anything from Confirmed App, only on the Yeezy supply. So I don't know what I did. Yo, Confirmed App, Adidas, what's going on, man? Your boy want a dub on a new fresh pair of Yeezy 350 V2 Zebras. And I wanted the pair of Yeezy slides. That's all I'm asking for. But you guys go ahead and comment down below right now if you hit on anything for Yeezy Day 2023. All right, back to the regular scheduled program, man. Today we're gonna be talking about a Jordan 1 that Jordan and Nike pretty much canceled all the way. They shut down all the rumors, even though it would have been so smart for them to drop this sneaker. They say, you know what? Nope, we ain't doing it. And now we gotta wait longer and longer for this classic Air Jordan 1 colorway to come back out, man. So if you guys are new to the channel, right now what I need you to do, man, subscribe right now. Hit the notification bell for your boys so you don't miss out on any content that we do drop over here. And please, let's run them likes up, man. Every video, we want to get to 500 likes. It really helps the channel grow. You guys been going crazy in the comments on yesterday's video, talking about, why the Jordan 1 is dead. And I really, really do appreciate it. Let's go ahead and get them, comments rolling on this one, them likes rolling on this one. And of course, you guys know I respond to every single comment, man. All right, guys, so about a couple months ago, we got some rumor mills that we're going to be getting a couple of different Air Jordan 1s. The first one was the Air Jordan 1 Royal Reimagined, which we made a video about. We talked about it. Go ahead and put a little picture up right here. We're supposed to be getting an all suede out pair, you know what I'm saying? It was also rumored that we're going to be getting the Air Jordan 4 Breds in 2024 and an all over spin-off with leather all around it, which I wasn't really too fond of. Like, I really didn't like it that much. But a lot of people say, you know what, those are definitely better than the Royal Reimagines. And there was also one more Air Jordan that we were supposed to be getting, and it was the Air Jordan 1 Black Toe. Now those right there, I really was hoping. I was like, yo, Jordan, man, please bring them back out. Y'all ain't dropped since 2016. I was like, yo, they're gonna do it. It's the smartest time for them to do it. Let's go ahead and bring that hype, build that anticipation back up for the Air Jordan 1 model. Instead of just giving us Travis Scott's, bring back some of them OG colorways. That was the smartest route for them to go. It would have been, the Bred Reimagines, the Royal Reimagines. And of course, you guys already know we got the Chicago Reimagines last year. And then we supposed to get the Black Toes. And now they're going to be canceling the release altogether. It might not even been into the production all the way, but I know it was talks of it coming out in 2024. And I know some people even said 2023, but if we went from 2023 to 2024 to not happening at all. So maybe that release does get pushed back to 2025. So that means we gotta wait 2 more years for this classic Air Jordan 1 and that reimagined spinoff, which would have been so perfect for Nike to do. Like that would have been an upward slope of the hype, of the love for Air Jordan 1s, bringing back those OG colorways. You cannot go wrong with dropping them. Like, I don't understand. Like, Nike was doing good, with dropping the reimagined looks of sneakers, not giving us the same thing, but also giving us that OG colorway that everybody loved. Like, everybody loved the Royals. They're still going to sell out. They're still going to do numbers, but it would have been so smart for them to drop a Black Toe reimagined. You guys know what kind of all of them have been dropping totally different material, totally different backstories, on all of them. But the Black Toe would have been up there with Chicago's, in my opinion. You know what I'm saying? I think those two are neck and neck. Or for me, like, those two are my favorite, Air Jordan 1 colorways. That Black Toe with that red hit on the back is just so spectacular. If you guys don't know, we're going to be getting the Air Jordan 1 low Black Toe in July. Still trying to get some things early. Y'all stay tuned for that. Definitely gonna be adding a pair in the collection. But it seems like Nike always drops like a low top version of something that we're gonna be getting in the next year. So the only Black Toe I currently have in the collection is a pair of the Air Jordan 1 low Black Toes. They're gonna be a little bit different from the one we do get here in July or June. I forget the release date. And they're gonna have totally different materials. So on these, when they did drop, they kind of threw some boo-boo leather quality all the way around it. I'm just gonna be honest with you guys. And they dropped the wings low to the back heel. But for the Black Toes we'll be getting this summer, the Wings logo will be higher on the heel of your Air Jordan 1 black toes. I've worn these things so many times, and I've actually already had the black toe highs in the collection. I ended up selling things for only $220. I don't know what I was thinking. I really wasn't following, you know, kind of the resale values of sneakers. When I just want to let something go, get something new, I literally would sell it for, you know what I'm saying, damn near dirt cheap. I'm just being 100% honest. So definitely a sneaker I regret selling out of the collection, just because I didn't know that they're gonna be worth so much. Like, they literally worth like $600-700 right now. I sold them for $200 and only wore them one time. So it was a super huge L for me. That's why I was super happy about the rumors that we were gonna be getting the reimagined black toe in 2024. Now Nike disappointed us again. They canceled the whole thing. Hopefully we do get it in 2025. And I want to give a huge shout out to Sneaker Files. He don't know me, I don't know him that much, but I do check out some of his videos. But I was, you know, scrolling on IG, and I was seeing, you know, when we're going to be getting the black toe reimagined. And then I finally kind of got that confirmed, you know, answer that they definitely are not dropping in 2024. And that shouts out to the homie Sneaker Files. Another Air Jordan 1 that I'm hearing rumors that we're going to be getting, that Air Jordan 1 low trophy room. There's so much buzz around our release just because we all know what happened to the original Air Jordan 1 trophy room. Everything was backdoored. It was just a terrible release, and it's almost like nobody had a, you know, a fair shot at getting them, because the bulk majority of the trophy room ones were at trophy room store. And like I said, you guys already know all about that. We're not going to dive into that situation. It came, it's gone, and I kind of don't even want to think about what had happened, what, 2 years ago. Just a terrible release. Probably up there with the lost and found drop on the Nike Sneakers app. That's how bad it was. I'm gonna put a little screenshot up here of the mock-ups that we will be getting of the trophy room 1 low. Hopefully it do come like that. Your boy definitely gonna try to add them to the collection, because I rock lows, I rock mids, I rock highs, and I would definitely rock, you know what I'm saying, the black toe lows. You guys see I put in damage on these, and a trophy room 1 low. I think Jordan Brand is gonna do a good job with executing those 2 sneakers. I can't wait to have them in hand. Yeah, guys, no black toe reimagines will be dropping in 2024. Hopefully 2025. Fingers crossed. I really want to add them joints to the collection. Wish we was getting them, but hey, you can't have everything in this world. Drop y'all comments down below. Let me know what y'all think about Jordan. Pretty much saying, y'all ain't getting them next year. Like I said, I'm disappointed. I want you guys to let me know how you feel about, you know, us not getting them joints. Subscribe to the channel right now. Hit the notification bell for your boys so you don't miss out on any content. I'm trying to give you guys some more informational videos like this. Even like yesterday's video, we talked about the decline of Air Jordan 1. I feel like this is definitely going to negatively impact, you know, Jordan 1 lovers, because they really was anticipating a black toe Air Jordan 1. So drop all your comments, thoughts, and opinions in the comment section right now, man. Leave a huge like before you slide out today's video. Like I said, hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any content that we do drop here at the channel. I appreciate all of the support. Again, thanks for tuning in. You didn't have to, but you did. And with all that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.